Hey there, it's Boots Owen here. This is a rather beat up Indesit, I think. I've lost the name now. Yeah, Indesit IWC6125. It's missing the door and whatnot, but it doesn't mean that I can't show you how to clean the lint filter today. So down in the bottom there's this panel. You'll have to excuse the rust. Get a screwdriver or a kitchen knife, something like that. And just there's a little tab here. I think there's one in the center. Yeah, there it is. And there's one over here. Pop them down with a screwdriver or a butter knife or something like that. It should just lift out. So there's one there. And then in here is the filter, and I don't know if there's going to be anything in this. This machine's been laid up for a while. Oh, it's quite stiff, okay. So you can use a spanner on it, but what I find works equally well is if you get a couple of pieces of timber and just use them as a kind of a grip. They're a bit big, but they got on it there and they gave it a twist. Some little green old water coming out, and it seems a bit stuck, so it feels like there's something in there. That water is actually green. There's something in there, alright. Hopefully it's money. Oh, it is and all. 50 pence. Who's going to touch that money? So in there then, there's a couple of hair clips or something in there as well. Something. Bit of plastic and a couple of snots of some old yuck out of the bottom of a machine. Let's take a look further in. Further in you can see perhaps there's the impeller blade, not a pump blade, and use a screwdriver in this case. Let's just give that a twist. It twists freely, so it probably works fine. But if this was all gunged up with something like a sock, or it could be anything, loads of coins, hair clips, bra underwires, anything like that, you'd have a pump that wouldn't pump out. And the symptom of that, of course, is that the machine's full of water and it's not pumping out water. That's how you fix it. Not much more to it other than to put this plastic panel back on, line up the 3 clips on the bottom. This machine's a bit bent actually, I think, so it doesn't really want to snap on, but you don't need to be gentle with these things. They're pretty tough. But of course then if you're not gentle enough you'll damage it. So there you go, an Indesit IWC6125 washing machine, how to clean the lint filter. Any questions or comments, leave them below. Otherwise, thanks for watching. See you later.